smoothing using moving medians. You'll remember that our aim when we're smoothing is to find the overall pattern of the data without all the random fluctuations that make it hard to see that. We've already learnt moving mean, which is where we take the average of 3 points at a time and graph that, because an average is looking for more what's normal and less what's happening day to day, or year to year, or month to month. Now, another way of finding out what's normal for a set of data is using the median. So instead of the mean of each set of 3 or 5, we're going to find the median point of each set of 3 or 5. We do this on a graph. Unlike the moving mean, where we do that on a table of values and do the calculation to find the average, we do this by finding the median point. So we need to start by being able to find the median point of a set of 3 points. And you do that, I'll just write median point. You find the middle x value and the middle y value, and this gives you the x, y coordinates for the middle point. So it's not, absolutely not, oh, there's that point, that point, that point, that is the middle point. No. You want the median or the middle x value and the median or the middle y value, and that gives you the overall median point. It's a really good idea to do this with a ruler to support yourself in this. The middle x value here, 1, 3, 4, are our x values, reading down, 3, 4. So our middle x value is 3. We go across. So from the bottom x value to the next, we're going across looking at the x values in order. Then for the y value, we're going up to find the middle y value. I've got 1, 3, 4. The middle value is 3. So the middle x and y values tell me that the median point is at 3, 3. So that's how you find the median point of a set of data. Do not be tricked into just reading across the x-axis and going, oh, it's there. It's not. Notice that I have marked my median point with a different symbol. These were dots I'm using across, because this is not part of my original data. It's the median of this set. This is normal for these 3 bits of data. And it looks right, doesn't it? It's right in the middle. That's why it's normal. So, what we need to be able to do is smooth. I'm going to start by drawing on the graph, but I don't really want you to do this. I'm going to do 3 median smoothing and then 5 median smoothing. And it's just this takes 3 points at a time and this takes 5 points at a time. So I'll start, and I really don't need you to draw these circles when you do it. I'm going to start with these 3. Find the median point of January, February, March by finding the middle x, January, February, March, so it'll be February, and the middle y, going up. It's there. I don't know what that is. It's like, must be about 6, but it doesn't actually matter. First point, second point, third point. This is the second point. So this at 10 is my y value. February, or the second month, 2, is my x value. So this is the median point of those 3. It's the middle month, between those three, and it's the middle y value from that one, that one, that one, moving up only. Then we repeat that for each next three. Now this is not the next point of three, or set of three. This is the next set of three, February, March, April. They overlap just like the average did. We find the average of this set, the average of this set. Now we're finding the median of this set, the median of this set, the median of this set. We do it exactly the same way. The X value is dead easy. It's always going to be that middle month here, the middle point on the three X's. But the Y is sometimes a bit weirder. First one, second one, third one. Here, the median point happens to be on one of the data points, but it's not always. Next set, I'm going to run out of colours anytime soon, and I really don't want you to go doing this circling thing. It's these three, March, April, May. Obviously, April is our middle point, but working up on the y-axis, I hit that point, 1, 2, 3. The second point is in the middle. I have to be on April, and I have to be in line with the second point. So it's very, very important that you're aware of exactly how to get the median point. Just like with three mean smoothing, there's no median point on the first score because I can't find the median of just these two. I'm finding the median of the first set of three, and so the middle is the second month. There'll be one missing over here as well. So we've found one where the median is April. I now want the April, May, June set. I know it'll be with May, first point, second point, third point. May, all the way up to in line with the second point, that one. June, so May, June, July is where I'm looking. Don't look at the median data, look at the real data. I know my X value will be on June. If you want, do something like covering up the rest. I'll use my phone. You can cover up the rest so you're not seeing it and you're just looking at those 3 points. It's got to be June. Going up to look at the Y's, first one, second one, third one. Once again, this is where I've got a median point that's the same as a data point. Next set of 3, centers on July, going up, first, second, third, again, another one where I'm on the data. Centering on August, first, second, third, August, and in line with the second point. It's really important that you're very careful about this. August, September, October, moving up, 1, 2, 3. And this will be the last one, centering on last one will be November. Centering on October. Now it's a bit hard to tell here, 1 and 2, there we go, 1, 2, 3. Last one, centering on November, 1, 2, 3, in line with that. So once you have your smoothed points, you join those with a line. Probably best to use pencil. I'm just using pen because it's easier for you to see. And you'll see that we have got less variation than the original data, but not by much. I'm going to use a smaller ruler. It's really annoying. We're still not seeing the overall pattern. Dodgy line there, my bad. This is why you use a pencil. So if you've tried smoothing with 3 median and you're going, oh, so I've still got a lot of variation here, we might have some cyclic aspects happening in our original data there that might be a bit easier to see now. But maybe we want to get rid of more variation. We can go to 5 median smoothing. And that just means we're going to take the median of 5 sets of data instead of the median of 3. So our first set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, please don't draw circles on your graphs when you're doing this in tests. This is just so we're supporting you to understand what I'm doing. The middle of January, February, March, April, May is March. That's easy. But now you've got to find the middle of those 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the third point is there, lines up with the third month. That's my first point. Move across, next set of 5. We'll center on April and we move up. 1, 2, 3. Now by now you know that the third point is the middle point, so you can confidently put that there. Running out of space here. Next set of data. Remember, if you want to, cover up the ones you're not using. Check that you've got 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, March, April, May, June, July, centers on May, and I want the third point moving up. 1, 2, 3. Move across. Centering on June, third point moving up. 1, 2, 3. Centering on July, 1, 2, 3. So this is one where data point is the median. Centering on August, 1, 2, 3. Centering on September, 1, 2, 3. And centering on October, 1, 2, 3, so we're there, and 2 gaps at the start and end, because of course we can't find a median of 5. It's the first set of 5 and the last set of 5. Use your ruler and a pencil, please, to get straight lines in there. And we have a much smoother indication of what is happening with our data. So that is 3 median or 5 median smoothing.